Have you ever noticed how some people look tired and stiff at 40, while some people can still move freely at 90? The real question is not only how long we live, the real question is how freely and confidently we can move while we are alive. When was the last time you sat on the floor without pain? And when was the last time you stood back up without using your hands? For many people, the problem is not age. The problem is that the body is slowly becoming locked. We blame time, but the real reason is often our daily habits. Our day starts on a bed, then a chair, a car seat, an office desk, a sofa, and again the bed. The body spends almost the whole day in one shape, and what the body does not use, it slowly loses. This is where Japanese lifestyle gives us a powerful lesson. In places like Okinawa, many older people do not treat movement like a separate workout. They make it part of normal life. Their goal is not just to look fit, their goal is to stay flexible, balanced, and independent. The first habit is sitting low. In traditional Japanese life, people often sit close to the floor. One example is seiza, where you kneel, sit back on your heels, and keep your spine straight. It looks simple, but it works on your ankles, knees, hips, and posture. At first, even 30 seconds may feel hard. It may simply mean your body has forgotten a natural position. Start slowly. Try 30 seconds, then 1 minute, then 2. The goal is not pain. The goal is to remind your body that it was made to move. The second habit is morning joint movement. In Japan, many people practice simple morning movements similar to radio taiso. It is not heavy exercise. It is more like preparing the body before the day begins. A few neck circles, shoulder rolls, hip rotations, knee bends, and ankle movements can wake up the joints. Just 3 minutes can make the body feel lighter. This is discipline in its simplest form. You move a little every day, so stiffness never becomes your identity. The third habit is floor living. A sofa feels comfortable, but it can also keep the body trapped in one position. The floor forces the body to adjust. You sit cross-legged, then kneel, then change sides, then stand up again. Every time you go down and come back up, your hips, core, knees, ankles, and balance work together. Eat one meal on the floor, read on the floor, or sit on a mat for a few minutes. The body becomes young through movement, not comfort. The fourth habit is walking on natural ground. Modern life is too flat. Flat floors, flat roads, flat sidewalks. But the human body was designed for variety. When you walk on grass, soil, or a park trail, your feet and ankles receive new signals. Your balance improves and your hips and spine start waking up again. You do not need to run. Just walk slowly for 20 minutes. Feel the ground under your feet. The fifth habit is deep belly breathing. Stress also makes the body feel old. When we are tense, we breathe from the chest. The shoulders rise, the neck becomes tight, and the body stays in alert mode. Japanese martial arts talk about the hara, the area below the navel, as the center of calm and control. A simple way to train this is belly breathing. Breathe in through the nose. Let the belly expand. Hold for a moment, then breathe out slowly. Do this 5 times, 3 times a day. In my opinion, the real beauty of these Japanese habits is that they are not complicated. They simply teach us one powerful truth. If you want to rebuild your life, you cannot ignore the body that carries you through it. Living longer is not the real victory. The real victory is walking without fear, sitting without pain, standing without support, and using your body with confidence. So today, try one small test. Sit on the floor, stand up slowly, notice what your body tells you. If this video gave you value, subscribe to Gravix Mind, because here we learn simple habits that rebuild the mind and strengthen the body.